the most boring color in the world is grey color, and people hardly use grey color for their interior because they don't know these amazing combinations of tiles that goes with grey walls. And today I am going to tell you these amazing combinations that goes with grey walls. And want to know what all are the combinations? Then watch this video till the end.
Don't go anywhere.
Grey is the most boring color in the world, and it is very difficult to light up the most boring color, that is grey color, into interesting color. But you don't have to worry about this because we have a solution to this problem. Today, I will suggest you how to make the most boring color into the most interesting color in 3 categories. The first one is matching tiles with grey walls. The second one is neutral tile combination with grey walls. And the third one is contrasting tiles with grey walls. The first one is matching tiles with grey walls, that is grey on grey walls and grey flooring. First tile that I would suggest for grey walls and grey floor is Urban Concrete Grey. Urban Concrete Grey is a concrete design that goes excellent with grey walls, and it comes with lots of colors, and a lot means lots of colors because it doesn't have 1, 2, 3, 4, it has 11 colors in it. And it has 8 randoms. Now that is something really amazing about this, our very new series. And if you want to see this design, then do visit our coverings 2024. It comes in the size 24 by 48, 40 by 80 and 30 by 60 and lot more. Even you can get it in the subway tile as well. And of course you can get it in hexagon as well. It comes in matte surface, but you can of course customize with tile because tile can exclusively customize for you. Now if you think that this is just limit, well, we do have more to offer you because we have mosaics as well. Then the second design that I would suggest is Mystical Charm Grey, which is a limestone design that is inspired from the Travertine, and it is a cross-cut Travertine and vein-cut Travertine. And it has 4 other colors as well to offer, and it has 8 randoms as well. It comes in various sizes from 24 by 48 to the subway size as well. And of course it is there in the mosaic as well. The third design that I would suggest is Vintage Ash Grey, which is a wood look design which is available in carving, which doesn't look like wood. I have already made a video on it. Do not forget to watch this video. So this design has a wood look design with heavy veins and heavy knots as well. This design is specifically for those who would love to have vintage vibes in their interior or who want to go for cabin style interior as well. So this is perfect choice for them. Then moving to the second part, that is neutral tile that goes with grey walls. The first tile that I would suggest for the neutral colors for the grey walls is Calcutta Lincoln Grey. Calcutta Lincoln Grey is a Calcutta marble design that is US marble design, and this is very unique design because it has blue veins in it. So usually the Calcutta marble is of white and grey color, but this design has blue veins in it, and that is the reason why it is so much popular and it is so much loved by the US people. If you want to know more, then do write it in the comment section. The second design that I would suggest for the neutral floors with grey walls is Bonfort Sparkle White. As the name suggests, the white tile, it is plain white tile and it has a carving effect in it, and because of the carving effect, it gives a sparkly effect to the tile. So those who would like to have a sparkly effect in their interior and those who want to go for minimalist and don't want to go for marbles, then they can definitely choose this Bonfort Sparkle White design. It is go-to for all the minimalists as well. The third option is Tappy Onyx Bianco. Tappy Onyx Bianco is a onyx design. It is a basic onyx design, that is cloud onyx design, that is available, and it goes excellent with all the interior grey walls for the neutral tones. If you don't know what all to choose, if you are confused, then go for this Bianco color tile that can look absolutely stunning in your interiors. It comes with polished design, and if you wish to customize your tile, then it can be possible with tile. For example, if you want to go for tapionics and matte, or if you want to go for any other surface that is available with tile, that is 11 surfaces, then it can be done with tile. So the third point is contrasting tiles that goes with grey walls. The first tile that goes with grey walls in contrasting combination is Amore Blue. Amore Blue is a breccia marble design. It is usually not in the blue combination for the natural availability, but we have created in different colors as well. It is of course available in the natural color as well, the natural shades as well. But for the contrasting shade, Amore Blue is the best that can go with the grey walls, and it is available in all the different surfaces, and it is available in 24 by 48 to subway tiles as well. Also, it is available in the mosaics as well. And of course, not to forget, it is available in the hexagons as well. The second design that I would suggest with contrasting grey color is Mystical Virtue Bianco, which is available in cross cut and vein cut. It is a Travertine limestone design which is available in different colors as well, but Bianco is the color that can go amazing with the grey walls. It is also available in the different sizes from 24 by 48 to subways as well, and not to forget the hexagons. The third tile that I would suggest for the contrasting grey walls is Agathis Tiger. Agathis Tiger is a wood look design that is available in the high gloss finish, and it doesn't look like wood, of course, because wood are not high gloss, but it gives a chic look and it is very different look. For those who want to go for something uncommon, they can go for Agathis Tiger design, and it is a sharp design. It has sharp veins and heavy knots in it. It is for someone who wants to go for rustic look in their interior, or they want to go for heavy look in their interior, they can choose Agathis Tiger. It is available in 20 by 120 size and 60 by 120 size as well, 30 by 60 as well, and subway tiles as well. Subway tiles from 4 by 16 to 3 by 12, and of course it is available in the hexagons as well. And if you wish to have a customized mosaic, it can also be available with type, as type exclusively customized for you. So all the US importers, what are you waiting? Do visit our importer exclusive showroom in Pennsylvania, or visit our website and contact us, or contact our local representative there in US for such designs. And if you have any doubts or any confusion, then do write it in the comment section. Thank you, and if you think that this video was interesting, do hit the like button, do share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe. Thank you.